Do you have a long video file filled with mistakes and boring pauses? Nothing kills viewer retention faster than unedited footage. The good news is, you can clean it up in seconds. Today, I am going to show you the fastest way to cut, trim, and split your videos in Filmora 15. First, drag your video clip onto the timeline. We will start with the easiest method. Trimming. Hover your mouse cursor over the very end or start of your video clip. You will see the mouse icon change into a double arrow. Click and hold, then drag the edge inwards. This instantly removes the unwanted footage from the beginning or end. Next, let us look at splitting. This is for when you want to make a cut in the middle of a video. Move the playhead, the red vertical line, to the exact moment you want to cut, and so click on the small orange scissors icon attached to the playhead. You now have two separate clips, which you can move independently. Finally, let us delete a specific bad section from the middle. Make a split at the start of the mistake. Move the playhead forward and make another split at the end of the mistake. Now, click on that middle section to select it. Press the delete key on your keyboard. All the boring parts are gone, and your edit looks tight and professional. Mastering these basics is the key to great storytelling. If this beginner guide helped you, please hit that like button, and do not forget to subscribe for more easy Filmora 15 tutorials.